Ringo the drummer. He knows he's on tape, the little bugger. Go for it.
Hi. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? What is it? You know it's not food time.
Get down and boogie. Get down and boogie.
Oh, that is so funny.
Look at him, Mil. Keep talking to him. Hey, say food again. He'll do it again.
Hey, Dusty. What do you want, babe? What do you want? Hey, you don't want any more food, do you? You do? Well, I'm not feeding you. You've already had lots of food. And you're not doing anything. Hey. Hi. I can hear you. Yeah.
Ask him what he wants. Does he want to beat his drums again?
Hey, Dusty boy. Hey, babes. Do you want more food? Hey, Dusty boy. No, I think he's done, though.